Understanding have roots somewhere. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, have roots somewhere. It's a phrase that's not only rich in meaning but also deeply personal and universal. Let's unfold the layers together and understand why it holds such significance in English conversations. When we say someone has roots in a place, we're talking about a deep, fundamental connection to that location. This isn't just about where they currently live or have lived for a while. It's about a bond that ties them to a place on a much deeper level, emotionally, culturally, and historically. It suggests that a part of their identity, heritage, or ancestry is deeply intertwined with this place. It's as if their family tree's roots spread out beneath the soil of this particular land, anchoring them to it. Understanding the phrase, have roots somewhere, is crucial because it opens up conversations about identity, belonging, and history. It allows people to express a sense of connection that goes beyond physical presence. It's about where their story begins, where their ancestors walked, or where they feel they truly belong. This phrase can evoke feelings of pride, nostalgia, and sometimes longing. It's a way of acknowledging one's background and the various factors that shape who we are. Using have roots somewhere in conversation can be a powerful way to share or inquire about someone's background. Here are some examples. I have roots in Italy, even though I was born in Canada. My grandparents emigrated from there. Do you have roots in this town? Or did you move here recently? Despite living in different cities, I've always felt I have roots in the countryside where my family originally comes from. These examples show how the phrase can be used to share personal histories, ask about someone's background, or express a deep connection to a place. Now that you understand what it means to have roots somewhere, take a moment to think about your own life. Do you feel a strong connection to a particular place? How does that place shape your identity or your family's history? Reflecting on these questions can deepen your understanding of yourself and others. Making the phrase more than just words, it becomes a part of your story. Thank you for joining us in exploring the meaning and significance of have roots somewhere. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also encouraged you to reflect on the deeper connections and stories that shape us all. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about connecting with others and understanding our shared human experience. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.